Welcome back to my channel everyone. Here's another Synfig tutorial as promised. This time it's a rig that I made and did a little animation as you can see here. I was also animated in Synfig. I had already made the rig as you can see here. I used a gradient layer for the background here. Finding the color took a bit of testing to see which color would work best. I use guides for better positioning of points. I usually enable them when I need to use them and disable them when not in use. And by the way, the drawing of Plankton was entirely done in Synfig. Always name your layers. I'll use this for now. I like using keyframes a lot. They save me a lot of time. So, I'll start by adding the keyframe for the first key pose. I use sets for easier animating and I'll make the first key pose. Keep adjusting the bones until you get what you want. I had used the controller plugin for the mouth. So I'll make him close the mouth by moving the controller like you see here. I parented the pupil to the bone. So, I'll animate the pupil by controlling this bone. Synfig allows you to set shortcuts to your liking. I want to change the keyboard shortcut for previewing the animation. So, I set it to Shift plus Spacebar. Quick tip. To do this, go to Edit tab, click Preference, then click Shortcuts. And you can set or change the shortcuts as you wish. Here, I animated the eyebrow. It's just one. Of course, I did this by moving the slider to the right. Keep moving the bones to pose the character. I'll preview it to see how it looks. It's good to name your keyframes. This helps to always keep track of whatever you are animating. Keep animating the bones, sliders and the joystick as you go. It's the fun part of animating using rigs. The idea of the animation was to have Plankton sitting. He then stands, waves, then walks a bit. Then, maybe add some facial expression. The main reason for this was because I wanted to see the entire rig in action. Looks good to me. I'll add more keyframes to prepare for the walking. Here, you can see all my sets and the layers inside the bone set. I have disabled the bones, so the arms, legs and body of Plankton can be easily seen as we animate. I'll animate some waving. Plankton wanted to say hi. He's probably happy to see you. Watch how he was animated. So, be sure to subscribe because more videos are on the way. It will motivate me to make more videos and I really appreciate it. The waving action is complete. For the turn, I simply used the slider plugin and it made it so easy. I want to make him turn so he can start walking. To do this, I just move the slider to the right as you can see. It's that simple. This is why I like to work with rigged characters. I animated the rest of it and also changed the background. I also gave him a shadow and added some extra detail. That's it for now. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Here's the final video. See you in the next one.